Musa species are native to tropical Indomalaya and Australia, and are likely to have been first domesticated in Papua New Guinea. 4-5, they are grown in 135 countries, 6, primarily for their fruit, and to a lesser extent to make fiber, banana wine, and banana beer and as ornamental plants. The world's largest producers of bananas in 2017 were India and China, which together accounted for approximately 38% of total production. 7. Worldwide, there is no sharp distinction between bananas and plantains. Especially in the Americas and Europe, banana usually refers to soft, sweet, dessert bananas, particularly those of the Cavendish group, which are the main exports from banana-growing countries. By contrast, Musa cultivars with firmer, starchier fruit are called plantains. In other regions, such as Southeast Asia, many more kinds of banana are grown and eaten, so the binary distinction is not useful and is not made in local languages. The term banana is also used as the common name for the plants that produce the fruit. 3. This can extend to other members of the genus Musa, such as the scarlet banana, Musa coccinea, the pink banana, Musa velutina, and the fay bananas. It can also refer to members of the genus Enset, such as the snow banana, Enset glaucum, and the economically important false banana, Enset ventricusum. Both genera are in the banana family, Musaceae. The banana plant is the largest herbaceous flowering plant. 8. All the above ground parts of a banana plant grow from a structure usually called a corm. A banana is an elongated, edible fruit, botanically a berry 1-2, produced by several kinds of large herbaceous flowering plants in the genus Musa. 3. In some countries, bananas used for cooking may be called plantains, distinguishing them from dessert bananas. The fruit is variable in size, color, and firmness, but is usually elongated and curved, with soft flesh rich in starch covered with a rind, which may be green, yellow, red, purple, or brown when ripe. The fruits grow in clusters hanging from the top of the plant. Almost all modern edible seedless, parthenocarp, bananas come from two wild species, Musa acuminata and Musa balbesiana. The scientific names of most cultivated bananas are Musa acuminata, Musa balbesiana, and Musa paradisiaca for the hybrid Musa acuminata M. balbesiana, depending on their genomic constitution. The old scientific name for this hybrid, Musa sapientum, is The old scientific name for this hybrid, Musa sapientum, is no longer used. Health benefits of bananas. 1. Bananas are respectable sources of vitamin C. Manganese in bananas is good for your skin. Potassium in bananas is good for your heart health and blood pressure. Bananas can aid digestion and help beat gastrointestinal issues. Bananas give you energy, minus the fats and cholesterol. Benefits of bananas. Bananas are one of the best fruit sources of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 from bananas is easily absorbed by your body, and a medium-sized banana can provide about a quarter of your daily vitamin B6 needs. Vitamin B6 helps your body produce red blood cells, metabolize carbohydrates and fats, turning them into energy, metabolize amino acids, remove unwanted chemicals from your liver and kidneys, and maintain a healthy nervous system.